Today we're exploring the historic house renovation in Suzhou, a unique project that masterfully blends centuries-old heritage with contemporary design. In this 5-minute tour, we'll examine how modern interventions and respectful restoration create a seamless dialogue between past and present. Starting with the facade, the renovation carefully preserves the original architectural volumes of this historic house while integrating modern elements. The classic proportions and ornamental details are maintained, yet they are now accentuated by refined, updated touches. This interplay of traditional brickwork and contemporary detailing creates a visually striking exterior that tells a story of heritage reimagined for today. The construction system of this renovation is a thoughtful combination of modern engineering and historical craftsmanship. Advanced reinforcement techniques have been subtly introduced to enhance structural stability, ensuring the building meets today's safety standards while preserving its historical integrity. New materials are carefully integrated alongside preserved elements, resulting in a structure that respects its past yet is equipped for the future. Inside, the layout has been reconfigured to create a more open and functional space without losing the intimate character of the original design. The traditional room divisions have been softened to encourage fluidity and connectivity between living areas, while key historical spaces have been maintained as unique focal points. This thoughtful spatial arrangement allows for a comfortable modern lifestyle that still honors the house's storied past. Lighting plays a pivotal role in this renovation, enhancing both the historic and modern features. Restored windows and strategically placed skylights allow abundant natural light to illuminate the interiors, highlighting the textures and details of original materials. Complementary modern lighting fixtures have been introduced to accentuate architectural nuances and create a warm, inviting atmosphere from day into night. Traditional materials, such as locally sourced bricks, timber, and stone, have been preserved and artfully combined with modern finishes. This blend not only reinforces the building's historical character but also provides durability and a contemporary aesthetic. The resulting texture contrasts offer a rich, layered experience that bridges the old and the new. The interior decoration is a refined mix of historic charm and modern minimalism. Original features, including intricate woodwork and period details, are thoughtfully paired with clean-lined, contemporary furnishings. The neutral color palette and curated decorative accents create a sophisticated yet welcoming environment, where each room resonates with both nostalgia and modern comfort. Finally, the landscaping around the house is designed to complement its historic essence. Traditional garden elements such as serene courtyards and water features reminiscent of classic Chinese garden design have been preserved and enhanced with modern landscaping techniques. These outdoor spaces provide tranquil settings that not only frame the house beautifully but also invite residents to connect with nature. The historic house renovation in Suzhou stands as a remarkable example of how historical preservation and modern design can coexist harmoniously. Every aspect, from the timeless facade and innovative construction system to the reimagined interior spaces and evocative landscaping, reflects a deep respect for the past and a vision for the future.